Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to accept a Zelle payment with Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. If you've not already, you're going to go to citi.com right here. This is the main URL. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. And if you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by this home page from where we can get started logging in. The first thing we need to do is to log into our Citibank account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is open an account. If you have an account but just haven't activated online, what you can do is click the activate button right here. So once you've gotten your account up and running, you can log in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page, which is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, payments, and so on, and all of that is going to be available right there. And now we can get started. So guys, let's say you received a payment with Zelle and you want to accept it. It's very easy. As you can see right here on the official Citibank website, we have the steps for using Zelle, and here we have an answer on how to use Zelle if you receive a payment. So if somebody sent you money with Zelle and you have not yet enrolled with the Zelle program, you can follow the steps right here. What you're going to do is click on the link provided in the payment notification that you received via email or text message. So go ahead and open up that link, and from there you're going to select Citi. Once you have selected Citi, it's going to enable you to follow the instructions. So you're going to go ahead and be able to follow the instructions provided on the page to enroll and receive your payment. Then you can pay attention that email address or US mobile number where you receive the payment notification is the same one you have to use when enrolling in Zelle and creating an account, so keep that in mind. So once you've gotten your account up and running, you can go ahead and use it. So download the application from the App Store, follow the steps that are right here, and get started receiving your payments using Zelle. And that's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.